Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I use Alphabitties to keep my patchwork pieces organized. I have my pattern and I've laid out all my alphabets according to the pattern. That way I know which fabrics go where, and then I know A and B and C need to be from that fabric, and I know what size to cut from those pieces. If you just follow the pattern, it'll tell you exactly how many pieces you need from each one. Like here, some of them I only needed one for each letter or two. That just makes it a lot easier to keep things organized, and I know how to sew things together later on because I can just follow the pattern and match it up with what they say. Here I have fabric E and D, and I needed 2 Gs, so that's what I cut, and then now I know exactly which corners they need to go on. That way I don't sew them on the wrong spot. And then now I've done those sew and flip corners, and I know that fabric F goes over there. If you lay out your pieces like this and you keep your Alphabitties clipped to your pieces of fabric, you won't get them mixed up nearly as easy. I'll leave a link to the Alphabitties that I have here in the description box below. They're from Fat Quarter Shop, my favorite place to shop for quilt stuff.